In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Vercel account. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure you know exactly what to do and to provide you with some tips to make the process as smooth as possible. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Vercel dashboard. This is where all your projects and account settings are housed, and it's the starting point for accessing the necessary options to delete your account. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a profile icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu that's full of options related to your account functions. One of the first things you'll see on this drop-down menu is Account Settings. Selecting this option will take you to a new page dedicated to managing various aspects of your Vercel account. Scroll through these settings, and you'll want to keep an eye out for a section named Delete Account. It's typically located toward the bottom of the page. This is a crucial step, as accessing these settings is necessary to move forward in deleting your account. Once you're in the Delete Account section, you will be looking for a button labeled Delete Personal Account. Clicking this button will initiate the process of deleting your Vercel account. But hold on just a moment before clicking away. It's important to be aware of the confirmation details that pop up next. These details will outline the implications of deleting your account, which is essential because these changes are irreversible. Make sure to review these details thoroughly to understand fully what account deletion will mean for your projects and data on Vercel. If you're sure you want to delete your account after reviewing the details, you'll then need to follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. This stage is designed to ensure that you don't mistakenly delete your account and to confirm your decision. These instructions may vary, so it's essential to proceed with care and follow them precisely. Once you've completed these steps, the deletion of your Vercel account will be finalized. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your Vercel account deletion process. If you have any doubts or encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Vercel's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.